Welcome to Day 12. Stop only looking at traditional volume at the bottom of your chart. Volume Profile shifts focus horizontally, revealing exactly where smart money is active. The value area captures the price range where 70% of total trading volume occurred. The point of control, or POC, is the exact price of maximum institutional agreement. These large volume peaks are high volume nodes, or HVNs. They represent fair value. Price tends to stall and consolidate here, making HVNs your ultimate profit targets. Thin profile gaps are low volume nodes, or LVNs, where minimal trading happened. Because there's low friction, price shoots straight through these zones with fast momentum. Your strategy: catch high conviction breakouts right as price enters an LVN gap. Ride the rapid price move and lock in your profits at the very next HVN peak. Trade with clarity and institutional precision. Elevate your market edge with Master Trainer Dr. Yateen Joshi at equityteacher.com.